Alright guys, so as the title of this video suggests, I have a very special and very different unboxing for my channel today. So this video is not going to be skincare. I did think about posting it on my vlog channel, but then I'm like, you know what? This channel has more subscribers right now, and this kind of plays into my whole journey with luxury products and unboxing things and hauling, and I just wanted it to be on this channel. I figured you guys more than anybody right now would enjoy seeing this, and this is something that's kind of been in a work in progress for a while, and I'm really proud of it, and I'm excited to show you guys. So before we get into this luxury Hermes unboxing, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You're going to be seeing, I hope, some more of these Hermes luxury unboxings. I'm starting my journey on this Hermes journey, and you might see some skincare tips. You might see some things that you are interested in beyond the luxury. And if you're new to my channel, if you're just seeing this because you've seen my luxury unboxing, then subscribe, stick around. Maybe you'll see more content that you like. And like this video, comment down below. That's pretty much it. I link everything in the description bar down below. And let's just get into this unboxing because I seriously cannot wait. Disclaimer, I have already unboxed these things one time, so I've repackaged it, but they were sent to me, so I wanted to open it and make sure that there was nothing wrong before I opened it on camera, because that'd just be horrible. And honestly, I'm like a kid at Christmas. I really can't wait to open boxes, so I had to look and see. So let's get into this unboxing. Here's my little bag. It got here a couple days ago. So before we get into this, I have played with buying and selling Birkins. I have purchased some Birkins on eBay. I found them in other places. I purchased them, I've had them spot, I have resold them, and I kind of use that as like a little side hustle. So I've always had this interest in Birkins and Hermes and the whole process, like the whole thing around it. I mean, there is so much hype and prestige around not only Hermes as a brand, but behind the Birkins and the Kellys and the Constance bags and what it takes to get these bags and how you kind of have to prove yourself and the journey these people go on to get them. And I got a little glimpse of that just in dipping my toes in the water with buying and selling Birkins, right? I've purchased some fake ones that were horribly fake, that were supposed to come from the US and they didn't. I purchased a super fake that literally nobody knew until they sent it to France to be spotted. Then they found it like, whoa, this is not an authentic Hermes bag. And then I did buy 2 that were real. So out of probably the 6 bags that I've purchased off of eBay and other places, right? Not from the boutique. Out of all of those purchases, I bought 2 real ones, spotted them, and made some money on them. So I've always had this interest, and I don't know if I'd call it an obsession, but this utmost curiosity about Hermes and just everything that goes into it. I mean, people go to great lengths to get these bags, and I've been interested and fascinated with that whole community. So fast forward, I'm with Aaron now, and he enjoys nice things, right? Like, I wouldn't by any means call him like a luxury collector, but he likes nice things. He'll purchase nice things, and while he might not be a Hermes collector or Louis Vuitton collector, he does like nice items, and from time to time he'll buy luxury items and has essays and all of that. So I decided, I've gotten to a point where I'm doing a little bit better. I'm kind of like getting things under control and things are looking good. And so like, you know what, I want to start my Hermes journey. So with the idea that my ultimate bag would be, I would love to be able to purchase a exotic Kelly or an exotic Birkin, a big one. Like, I'd like to buy a big one. I'd like to be able to get kind of access to these exotic bags and be a part of this community. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, I used to talk about luxury skincare products, and I just have this overall interest in luxury and nice things and the craftsmanship and, you know, all of the parts that go with it. And of course, Hermes speaks to me because Hermes, like many luxury brands, got its roots in the equestrian world. So Hermes created saddles and boots, and to this day they still create equestrian products. So me as a horse trainer, I am fascinated by that, right? Like, horses are my life and my obsession, my hobby ever since day one. I was nearly born on a horse. My parents train race horses. So I've had this all-encompassing obsession with horses, and they've been a part of my life. So brands that got their footing in the equestrian world obviously speak to me and just like speak to my soul. So enter Hermes. So long story short, I could ramble on about that and give you a whole life story, but honestly, I'm not going to bore you to death. So Aaron has an essay at his Hermes store. It's somebody that he's worked with. He's popped in from time to time, bought something from them, and he tends to be the type of person that when he gets somebody that he likes and works with, he will exclusively work with that person, and he'll only purchase from that person. He'll call them. So he gets great relationships with these people. So before this whole lockdown happened, I had gone with him to the Hermes store, and we were just looking, and I had met his essay, and everything was really cool. And over the last couple months, as things have been kind of turning for the better, I was like, you know what, I think I would like to make my first Hermes purchase, my personal first Hermes purchase from the boutique, new, all of that, you know, like, it's like a stepping stone for me, buying the real deal, new from the store. So I'm like, I would love to work with your essay. Obviously, you already have an established relationship with them, and I would like to continue that. You have success with them, I'd like to continue that. So I talked to his essay. I'm like, okay, so here's my goal. A dream would be to have like a larger, like what I really want, there's a few things that I want. I want to get a large Birkin or Kelly for like travel, like a carry-on tote bag. Would love to do that. I'd love to be able to have a large size Birkin in Kelly just for daily use. I do use like a Gucci shoulder bag right now just for everyday carrying stuff. And yeah, my goal is I just want to get, whether I use it or don't use it or covet it or whatever, I want to get to the point where I can buy a lizard bag or a exotic, like a crocodile Birkin, or, you know, just something like that. That's kind of a goal for me, just like a life goal, whether it be, you know, materialistic, whatever, it's a life goal for me, and I find it to be a stepping stone that I would like to get to. So I'm like, what do I need to do to be able to get there eventually? Obviously, I have zero experience now. What do I need to do? He's like, well, it's pretty simple. You know, you need to start purchasing Hermes items and kind of start building a purchase history. And I was like, okay. So I did that day. I waited and started looking at things, and I was like, okay, there's a few things that I really like. I'm really interested in obviously their leather items most specifically, and I've just been looking at their website and kind of like watching videos and stuff, and I decided to make these two purchases. So in here, as I said, the bag's a little bit jumbled because I got it shipped to me, but I have two boxes. So here is, sorry, obviously it didn't come smashed in the bag like this. Come here. So we have this. I'm sure any of you that are Hermes lovers probably know what these are. And we have this. Now, these are two things that I've kind of like, when I first decided to purchase it, I'm like, there's gonna be two ways that I do it. I'm either going to keep these items and use them myself, or if I don't like them, because I just saw it very briefly in person and I mostly only see things online. Most of these products I've only seen online. I'm like, okay, if I don't like it, I can send it back, or I not send it back, I can gift it to somebody, give it to my mom, give it to my grandmother, whatever. But I was like, I reached out to him, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to make my first two purchases, and this is what I wanted. So I am obsessed with wallets. So this, like I said, I redid it. The first one we're unboxing is, here's this ribbon. First thing we're unboxing is, it's gonna be fairly simple. Like the first thing, my first dip into the water was fairly simple, right? So this wouldn't be my first choice traditionally, but given that I'm just now building my Hermes collection, I wanted to go, you know, basic, traditional, something that I could use if I want to keep it, or something that could be gifted. So here it is. It is a Kelly wallet in color Noir, and I believe this is, I can't remember. I think this is Epsom leather, but I honestly don't remember, and I don't have the receipt for this, because I did buy them, I bought them in two separate times, so I don't have the receipt for this on me right here. But here it is. I love wallets, so right now I'm using a Marc Jacobs wallet. You can see I've literally not used this. Has palladium hardware, and like I said, I think the color is Noir. And then there is the Hermes stamp. You can see here, it's got the blind stamp there, and then the blind stamp with actual date here. It is what everybody says. The smell is intoxicating. Here's the inside of it. So in the inside, it's got a cash compartment, 6 credit card compartments, another kind of bigger area. You can put your cell phone or something in it. The zipper compartment, which I love, the toggle for the zipper is one of the Hermes locks. And then the front compartment has an additional 6 credit card areas and another cash area. So that's the first purchase, right? Not super exciting, but I really like it. It's a good size. I don't really put small wallets in my pocket anyways. I will usually carry my wallet just, you know, kind of like this. I don't really put my wallet in my pocket. I just carry them. So if I'm carrying it, it will, you know, kind of look like this. And I just put it under my arm usually and just carry it. That's what I prefer to do, and it works for me. So there's the first purchase, right? Really, really exciting. New from the store, sent to me from our SA. Yeah, super exciting. So then the second one, I'm like, okay, I got that. Like the second one, what's a bag that I could use kind of similar to, not similar to, what's something I could use like in place of my Gucci bag? So I came across this. This is a product that I believe is re-released. I think they did this once, and then I believe this is their re-release as of 2019 maybe. Let me see if I get this all right. Yes, okay. So here it is. We have, like I said, this has been opened. And this is gonna be a smaller bag. This may kind of surprise you. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. All right, so this, here's a strap if that gives you any clue. And then we have a little baby. So it is a smaller bag. Here we have the care booklet. If you wanna see that. It's like a giant book with multiple different languages on how to take care of the bag and whatever information about the bag. And then here's the actual bag. So this is, any guesses? Ta-da! It's the Kelly Dance. Now I do have the specifics here. So this is the Kelly Dance in Swift leather. Color is Noir. And this is, I believe, palladium hardware. So here it is. Strap is here. And I kind of originally thought, like, okay, I'll buy this and I'm probably gonna end up giving it away. But I actually really, really love it. It's a beautiful bag. So Swift leather is a softer leather. It's a little more fragile, but it's got this beautiful small graining to it. It feels incredibly buttery. And then on the back you can see there are where you put the straps. So you can actually, the cool thing about this bag is you can wear it a lot of different ways. I'm just gonna show you the kind of plain way right now. But you can wear it as a crossbody bag. You can wear it as a backpack, just how, depending on how you change your strap. You can wear it as a belt bag, actually, which I thought was super cool when I saw somebody do that. And yeah, here's the Hermes stamp on the strap. So yeah, this bag is very, very versatile. So you can wear it long strap, you can double it up, short strap, and then you can actually wear it, so if you put it here, you could wear it like around your body, kind of crossbody style there, which is super, super cool. If you want pictures or whatever, I can show you later, but I'm not gonna do any mod shots or anything, because in my first unboxing, I don't really care. So here's this. The smell is amazing. Again, we've got the singles. Opens up, and you can see the inside. has the little structure holder. So on the inside it looks like this. I don't know if I can get enough light to show you. So on the inside there's a little pocket, and then it's just kind of an open bag. So you could wear, like traditionally I would wear kind of a crossbody bag, you know, like this. So you could wear it like crossbody, which is a little long, or you could do, if you wanted to loosen it, you could wear it, sorry, okay, let me stand up. You could wear it like that, which obviously with my little blue pants on, not a great look, but yeah, you can wear it like this, and it's kind of a little belt bag look, crossbody. I loved how versatile it was, so you know, if I decided to keep it, then it would be a cool belt bag, crossbody bag, use it for travel, whatever. But if I decided not to keep it, it was a great bag for my grandmother or whoever else. It's very versatile. I feel like this bag is, not that I think a bag has to have a gender, but I feel like this is kind of more unisex because it is very versatile. I really, really love it. It feels incredible. So that's it, you guys. This is the beginning of my Hermes journey. We got the Kelly wallet and the Kelly dance. You can see there, the wallet is almost actually wider than the dance, which is fine. I don't need to carry them in each other. But yeah, so that's it for this Hermes unboxing. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comments down below. If you want any more details, again, I will link whatever I can in the description bar. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. And hopefully I'll be back soon-ish with another unboxing. I'm gonna continue buying, looking for things that I want or need. And then I'll show you kind of like what I get along the way. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to show you my next Hermes purchases, whatever those may be. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.